Another ransomware attack shuts down critical hospital systems. Millions of customer data was leaked in a major data breach. A simple phishing email cost this startup its entire database. Cyber attacks are no longer distant headlines. They are happening right now and everywhere. So here's the real question. Where are the cybersecurity teams when all of this is happening? Why are so many companies caught off guard? Why aren't defenders responding fast enough? It's not about tools. It's about skills, training, and real-world readiness. Introducing Infinity Platform, the cyber range playground where defenders are made and not just taught. Train like an attacker, defend like a pro. Experience real-world problems in real time. Whether you are a student, a SOC analyst, or a red teamer in training, Infinity gives you hands-on labs in realistic phishing simulation, Active Directory attacks, cloud privilege escalation, and malware analysis and defense. You don't just learn cybersecurity, you live it.
Stop watching cyber disaster on the news. Be the reason that they don't happen. So level up your skill and join the third generation of defenders. Visit now at infinity.cyberwarfare.live. Thank you.